Uh-oh! The birds fly away. Kiki and Neelu walk through a quiet part of the forest. Oh! Kiki makes a loud noise, and the birds suddenly fly away. Kiki feels worried that her loud noise scared the birds away. Neelu calmly reminds Kiki that forest animals like quiet sounds. Kiki stays quiet while Neelu stands beside her. Neelu and Kiki feel happy. Kiki learns that quiet voices keep forest friends safe.